Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share your Mico profile. So let's get started. Open Mico application, then press the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll see the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. Among all of these options, select Share Mico option. Now choose any one of the platform that you'd like to share your Mico profile. And this is how you can share your Mico profile. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.